My name is Brea. I am the owner and creative director at Kismet Events and renttheeventla.com. I'm here to show you how to make some beautiful hanging planters for your home. First things first, some cool pots. I used pots with no holes in it. That way nothing drips on Uncle Ed's head. Next thing you do to hang everything up is some suede lace. You can also use vegan lace, doesn't make a difference to me. I also suggest some scissors and a glue gun. Now, other things that you could do to jazz it up a little bit is add some tassels to the bottom of them and some costume jewelry or beads to enhance your pot. First things first, we're going to get our suede lace. I cut these about 2 yards long, and then I'm going to get the middle of them, straighten them out, get to the middle of them, and twist them a few times over. This is important. I did about 3 times, I'd say, because this will be the base for your pot. Then I'm choosing to put a tassel on it. Where it's twisted, we're going to just tie a tassel on there. And then we're going to put our pot on top. I picked this cute little pink one with black design. It goes with, yes, my aesthetic, but feel free to use whatever you'd like. We're going to gather each suede lace at 4 points of the pot. And before we raise it, we're going to kind of balance it out so that we know like it's not tipping over and everything is centered. So I have to like move it over a little bit. There we go. And then at this point, this is where you're going to actually glue gun the base of the vase. That way it stays in place. Oh, it rhymes. So funny. And then at the top, what you're going to do is you're going to loop it so you can actually hang this up. Because that's what hanging plants do. They hang. Boop-a-doo. Alright, now this is a little ugly to me. So I'm going to use some costume jewelry. I'm going to just loop this through at the top. I picked some minerals because, like a mineral ring that I had. I'm kidding, I bought it at Michael's. Just to enhance it. And then you can cut off your excess. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. And then you add your pot. You can either do a potted plant or a succulent or an air plant. That way you don't have to worry about ever really watering it or anything like that. This is it. Isn't it cute? So cute. And that's it. And that's all you need to take from going basic to so extra. I hope you enjoyed what you saw today. Let me know what you think, what you'd like to see in the future, and I would do for you. Subscribe.